Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Vuyokazi posted or released a statement about her marriage, you guys, and it's quite sad that Vuyokazi decides to call it quits. So guys, the statement reads as follows: I am reaching out to you with a heavy heart as recent events have deeply affected me. I am a woman who has always sought to live my life with authenticity and privacy, yet I continually find my personal life in the public domain, especially regarding my relationships. Now, let me, I guess I'll give my comment on each and every paragraph. Guys, I've said this before, that reality TV shows, they are entertainment, but I think they are such a scam, you guys, because a lot of, like, I'm thinking even the Bala families, that a lot of families, after they go on reality TV shows, guys, relationships are just not the same. And the thing is, once you gain that fame, there's no going back to normal. Like Vuyokazi went on this reality show of Izingane Zistembu, and unfortunately this is the life she's gonna have to live. I don't know up until how long, guys. Of her personal life is always going to be in the public domain, no matter how much she tries to keep it in private. And that's another, we'll get to that part. Anyway, the second paragraph says, I recently learned, as many of you have, about troubling accusations and statements circulating in voice notes from my fiance. Now, I don't know why she's saying fiance there, because I know Uti Olani was her husband. She actually even put wife, and Ukolani on his profile put husband. So I guess because maybe in Amalobolo or whatnot was not done, she says fiance here and not husband. Angazike. Suggesting that I had somehow forced him into paying lobola. These accusations have brought to light a side of him that I was previously unaware of and perhaps chose not to see. Yeah, guys, that statement on its own is kind of devastating for me, where she says these accusations have brought to light a side of him that I was previously unaware of or perhaps chose not to see. Guys, amadoda, guys, will do whatever they need to do to get you, yes. Like, it's so I don't know. Anyway, it goes on to say, I am devastated by the things said and I am struggling to process the emotional impact of this situation. To those who have shown me compassion and support, I am deeply grateful. Your empathy and words have given me strength during this painful time. For those who may feel differently, I understand that I may often face scrutiny, but I kindly ask you to consider the toll such personal matters take on an individual or on individuals. While some may view this as entertainment, I want to remind everyone that behind every headline and every comment is a person, a woman who only ever wanted love, who believed in the possibility of a lasting partnership. I stand here heartbroken and delusioned, coming to terms with the painful reality of being let down again. Guys, you know what? I really am so sorry for Vuyokazi, and I'm so sorry to her. I honestly, like what she said, guys, that behind the headlines and the comments, there's a person behind all of that. And I am so sorry for her, because the majority of us guys, all we want is love. And sometimes, yes, we go about seeking that love or making decisions that are premature, but all she just wanted, guys, is to be loved. The last paragraph goes on to say, Wuti, I'm aware that I'm not alone in this experience. Many women have found themselves in similar situations. To all those who have endured betrayal or heartbreak, I extend my solidarity. I ask that we cultivate empathy and kindness, not just for me, but for anyone who has faced the pain of love gone wrong. I will not be making further comments on this matter and ask that my privacy be respected as I navigate this challenging time. Thank you for understanding and respect for your guys. Basically, in a nutshell, even though she did not say I broke up with Ukolani, she's basically saying she broke up, she broke things off with Ukolani, guys. She deleted the pictures, the videos of the lobola. uXolani ke yena has since deactivated his account. But what breaks my heart so much about this, you guys, is that now I'm really starting to question myself, which was this guy really after fame all along? Like abantu bakhohlakele ngaleyo ndlela, guys, ukuthi like they want to put themselves out there at the expense of someone's heart to this extent. I mean, he didn't have to propose her. Like, he didn't have to marry or lobola her. He could have just dated her for however long. But that's the thing about some guys. Like, he probably knew Vuyokazi wanted to be married, and there's nothing wrong, guys. If umshado is something you want, I don't know why people like to demonize people wanting to get married. I mean, he knew that very well, and he enticed her. I believe he enticed her by telling her the things that he knew she wanted. And you know what's the sad part? Is that those things about Vuyokazi, you didn't need to be close to her to know those things. We all knew about that off of the episodes we watched from Izingane's Tembu. So I really feel so sorry for her right now, guys. And if you can, please do keep her in your prayers, guys. Like, this is such a common thing amongst women. I think this is really not the time to be like, sikjelile, like it's really not the time, guys. She really does need all the comfort and the support that she needs. I mean, I'm thinking about people like Ulondi London, who has been through a similar situation like this. And yeah, I really do hope we show her love and care, and that she gets to a point where she's so stingy with herself. Because listen, guys, she is the prize. And it's scary to think that there are men out there who are out for their personal gain at the expense of someone's heart to this extent, where there's children involved. Yo, hi, Kim. But at the end of the day, Ugel chose herself, and that's all that matters. Guys, tell me your thoughts, your comments on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.